So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Sling TV not working on Roku, Fire Stick, Samsung TV, cache and reinstall. General fixes are: unplug your router and streaming device from the wall for 60 seconds, then plug back in. Use a speed test app to check internet speed. Sling TV require at least 5 Mbps for single stream and 25 Mbps for house load. Disconnect other devices such as smartphones or laptops from your Wi-Fi to free up bandwidth. In Roku devices, press the home button on your Roku remote, then scroll to the and select setting. Choose system and select system update. Click on check now to install any pending Roku update. Return to the home screen and highlight the Sling TV tile. Press the star button on your remote, then select removal channel and confirm the action. Go to store, search for Sling TV and select add channel. In Amazon Fire Stick, go to setting on the far right of the home menu, then select application, then choose manage install application. Scroll down and select Sling TV. Select force stop, select clear cache, then select clear data. If the app still fails, return to the main menu and select uninstall. Go back to the Fire TV home screen, then search for Sling TV and download it again. So, in Samsung Smart TV, unplug the TV power cord from the wall for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Press the home button on the remote and navigate to apps, then select the setting icon in the top right corner, then locate the setting, the Sling TV app, then choose delete. Return to the app menu, search for Sling TV and select install. If error persists, go to setting, then support, then device care, then self-diagnostic. Restart Smart Hub. Thanks for watching.